How to create Google Meet link. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a Google Meet link. So let's get started. First of all, go to the search bar of your search engine and search for Google Meet, and then press enter, and you'll be able to see a couple of options. You're going to click on Google Meet, and once you click on that, you'll be redirected to an interface that will look something like this. So here you're going to click on new meeting, and you can either create a meeting for later, or start an instant meeting, or schedule in Google Calendar. So I'm going to click on start an instant meeting. It will take a couple of seconds in order to join the meeting. Once done, you'll be able to see something like this, that whether you want people to see and hear you in the meeting, and you can enable your microphone or camera. And after that, you can see that you have successfully joined the meeting. And over here you can copy the meeting link, or you can even add new people by typing their name or email over here, but they need to be in your Google workspace. And then you can copy the address from here, and then whenever you give the address to someone else, they can just type down or paste the address into the search bar, and then you can see, or the person can see, that they have been redirected to the meeting. That means that the meeting link is working perfectly correct. So that was how you can create a meeting link on Google. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.